Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 3 would like to presentate about lipid-protein interaction, a fundamental basis in understanding the function of macronutrient in living organism. Before we go to the next slide, we would like to introduce ourselves first. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Salsabila Rifdasari.
My name is Salsabila Zakirina.
My name is Salsabila Putri Rahmadanti.
My name is Ahmad Regi Dermawan.
My name is Arda Febriansyah.
My name is Maura Ludia.
My name is Farah Putri Ayuningtyas Mardiono.
My name is Indah Mulia Purnama Syukur.
My name is Grisha Ivana.
My name is Faris Ananda Sadianto.
So the first topic of our discussion is about the definition of macronutrient. Macronutrients are the nutrients that provide calories or energy and are required for the body in large amount to carry out daily life activities rhythmically and adequately. In addition to water, humans require 4 primary macronutrients from their staple foods, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and dietary fibers, then called proximate principle, since they are the main bulk of the food.
And next is definition. Lipid and protein are two classes of molecules essential for sustaining life, and interaction between them has broad implications in various biological processes. Generally, lipids provide cell membrane structure, store energy, and play a role in signal transduction, while protein act as catalyst for biochemical reaction, compose cellular structure, and play a role in metabolic regulation. The lipid-protein interaction not only affect the stability and function of cell membrane, but also influence enzyme activities, molecular transport, and intracellular signaling process.
Next, there are some implications in diet and therapy strategy development. The lipid-protein interaction is crucial in developing diet and therapy strategies to prevent metabolic disease. Understanding how nutrition affects this interaction is important for designing optimal diets. Omega-3 rich and low saturated fat diets support cell membrane health.
This understanding development aids in developing targeted diet therapies to address lipid and protein metabolism disorder. And the last one, effective therapy development is also possible through the use of nutritional supplement and drugs that affect lipid-protein interaction.
So, the role of the lipid protein is lipid protein playing a crucial role in shaping the structure of cell membranes. Lipid protein interactions have an important function in biochemical process. For instance, in lipid metabolism, proteins like lipoproteins interact with lipids to transport cholesterol and triglycerides through the bloodstream, facilitating the transportation of essential nutrients throughout the body.
Effect of lipid-protein interaction. The influence of lipid-protein interactions on metabolism and bodily health has significant implication in the context of metabolic disease. This disruption in this interaction can lead to dysfunction in lipid and protein metabolism, which are major risk factory for various diseases such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular disease.
For example, 10 is membrane lipid composition, such as a increase in saturated fatty acid level or a decrease in omega-3. Fatty acid level can disrupt membrane fluidity and the activity of membrane proteins that are vital for molecular transportation and cellular signal transduction. Thus, destruction have the potential to interfere with glycemic regulation, lipid metabolism, and vascular function, there increasing the risk of metabolic and cardiovascular diseases.
Lipid-protein interaction also play a crucial role in regulating the activity of body biochemical pathways, including the regulation of insulin sensitivity and blood glucose, as well as the development of type 2 diabetes.
So here's the conclusion of our discussion. The key of lipid and protein interaction are crucial in understanding the function of macronutrients and metabolism. They are important for dietary strategies, therapy, and prevention of metabolic disease. Understanding this interaction can pave the way for more precise nutritional approaches and innovation in clinical practice.
Here are our books that we took as reference for our presentations. Next. 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 So after a long discussions that we have talked between our member groups and a long discussion that includes the member of the class, we finally get a question. It's about why is understanding the interaction between lipids and protein is important in developing diets and therapy strategies for preventing metabolic disease and improving overall well-being. So we already get the answer. The answer is understanding the interaction between lipids and protein is crucial because it allows for designing appropriate diets, such as the adjusting intake of omega-3 fats and saturated fats to support cell membrane health and cellular function, reducing the risk of cardiovascular and other disease. Additionally, a better understanding of these interactions enable the development of targeted diet therapies using omega-3 supplements or reducing saturated fat intakes to address lipids and protein metabolism disorders and modulate biochemical pathway involved in regulating metabolism. This is not the only important for preventing the disease, but also for developing more effective therapies in managing medical conditions related to metabolic disorder. So I think that's all for our presentation from Group 3. Thank you for all of your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.